In 200 meters, turn left.
Oh my hair. We are lost. We are in a hunt for. We can get it from here. This is something. Oh, no, this is Krispy Kreme. Okay, we are in a hunt for IKEA. We got so thirsty and hungry. We ended up in Lotte Premium Outlets. Yeah, we are so tired and looking for IKEA. But we'll do it for you guys, okay? We'll see you in a bit. Okay, let's find IKEA. Oh, there! It says IKEA! Third floor! Okay, we'll find IKEA. Let's go! There'll be a lot of stuff. So do you want to go to the highest floor and go down?
Yep.
Because it says here, right here. So I'm trying to see. They have the showcase room on the second floor. Checkouts on the first floor, and then yeah, a lot of it on second floor. Let's go up. We are at the second floor of IKEA Korea. Which one? It's nice for an office, you know. Oh, this is a nice kitchen up here. Look at that chef's island. I like that. So pretty. So nice. See, they have the small oven up here. Oops, it's closed. One right here. It's a wood top. Two sinks. Okay. Glass type faucet. Ooh, at least this is glass on top. White countertop, white cabinets. Matches with silver and black. Silver, black, and white. Silver, black, and white. Okay, who needs a kitchen showcase? There you go. I got the electric range for you, and I got you a what they call this sink. See, dishwasher probably on the bottom. That's where you put your plates. This is pretty cheap. You want it? $9. No, it's not $9. See how big this pots and pans right here. Who wants this thing? I'm gonna give it away. Okay, we're trying out the ribs. Comes with the fries. This bread comes with the soup right there. It's a dip. Is it mushroom, babe? Mushroom
Looks like it.
soup. And this is the famous Swedish meatballs. Swedish meatballs. And this pork cutlet. Haha, yummy. This dining area looks like. There's the warehouse. So you've seen all you wanted, what you want to buy. Everything's down there.
Music keeps me on alone. You got the feeling. The music keeps me singing.
As soon as you get down, there'll be like toys for kids. So if you have kids,
You're tired and beat up.
yes, and you're already tired and beat up, that's what you're gonna hear. Yes, exactly. Check out. Everything's full. All the lanes are full. No easy checkout here. Obviously,